Today we are touring a beautiful home here in Saddleback Ridge, here in Cedar City, Utah. Brand new custom built home, just under 2,000 square feet. It is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 3-car garage in a stunning neighborhood. Let's go check out this amazing new home. Like I said, we're touring this beautiful home today, listed with Sky Longhurst of Sheridan Real Estate. Shout out to her for letting us do this video tour. But just look at how beautiful this home is on the outside. It's got beautiful stone, beautiful siding. It's got these huge beams that we're about to walk into in the front entrance. It just has so much contrast to it. Fully landscaped. We'll go into the 3-car garage with the RV extended garage. That is a huge bonus. But just look at this little entryway here. High ceiling right off the top. And what I really love, which you don't find a lot of places, is a view like that from your front porch. You don't find that very often. So let us go inside of this beautiful home. Long private entryway just builds the suspense as we walk into this amazing kind of living room, kitchen, dining room. It's everything right here, right off the bat. It is beautiful. High ceilings, beautiful beams, huge fan. Look at that fireplace going all the way to the top. That beautiful stone. That is so nice. Hookups for your TV as well. Plenty of shelving on both sides. Family pictures, souvenirs, all of that great stuff. The builders did such a good job at utilizing all of the space of this 2,000 square foot home. Plenty of space right here for your couch, ottoman, extra chairs to really have enough room for all of your guests. Now, look at this kitchen. Oh, it's so beautiful. Right as soon as I walked in, I'm just blown away at this kitchen. It is so nice. Beautiful quartz countertops that it goes so well with the brown cabinets in the back, which have so much space. Like, they go all the way to the ceiling. Like, that is incredible. So much storage. Now, really cool, these lights under here are motion censored. So when you're getting up in the middle of the night, you need a drink of water or whatever, you can just walk in here and they will automatically turn on. You don't got to turn on these lights or the main lights above. You can just walk in here and they will automatically turn on. Little area here for dining room table. It's a lot bigger than it probably looks on camera. Plenty of space for a large table to put right there, and all of the windows with the natural light. That is super nice. Now you see here, this is the sliding glass door. It's huge. We'll go in the backyard in just a second, but I want to show you the master bedroom. Just this whole it's kind of like it just all flows really good together. We have the master bedroom, closet, the laundry room. But let's start in the master bedroom. Plenty of space, really big room. Your bed is going to go right here. 2 windows on the side, plenty of room for 2 nightstands. Other than that, plenty of room over here as well for dressers, place for your TV. Really everything that you could ever want is made for this master bedroom. Now, here is the master bathroom. Double vanity, matches the kitchen, quartz countertops, lots of room underneath for, all your toiletry stuff. Nice drawers, the easy close as well. Beautiful walk-in shower. Glass all the way around. Beautiful stone and tile throughout. What edged piece right here to put all your soap. There's more area up there. That's a window, brings in natural light, but you can't see through it, so you don't have to worry about that. Just beautiful, really, really nice. Now I know it doesn't have a tub. A lot of people like a tub, and I guess that's going to be kind of a bummer in this house. There's pros and cons to every house, but there's a lot of pros in this one. Master closet right here, really good size. Plenty of hanging space, shelves all around. But what I love is it just seamlessly goes into the laundry room. You have a door there though, just so people aren't peeking into your closet. Hanging space right there, washer and dryer, sink, mudroom type thing. Plenty of shelving as always. Just a really good use of every single space in this house for being 2,000 square feet and having big rooms, big living spaces. But this is the biggest of all. We have a 3-car garage. Oh, sorry, it's probably going to echo a little bit. It's just huge. 3-car garage, epoxy flooring already installed. But what makes this thing so huge is you have the RV garage right here that goes all the way to the back of the house. So whatever size your RV is, it can fit in this space. If you don't have an RV, that's fine. You could fit 2 cars here, side by side right here, 4-wheelers. There is just so much space in this garage for whatever you need it for. Now back there, that's just another like storage area for any other stuff that you don't want to put in here. Garden tools, lawnmower, etc., etc. But this is just awesome. And the windows right there, lots of natural light so that you're not just sitting in the dark. You don't have to have these bright LED lights on. But just that is a huge amenity. We don't see these very often. They're becoming a little bit more popular here in Cedar City, but it is not super common. So if you have an RV, if you like to travel, even your camp trailer can go in there. That is a super, super huge amenity. Now, other side of the home, just off the kitchen, huge pantry here. Pantry of this size is very, very important, no matter how big your family is. It does not matter. That is a great, great pantry. So now we have what's left of the home, 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. So again, following the same idea as the rest of the house with the quartz countertops, brown cabinets, and the shower with a tub, glass as well, which is fancy. You don't have to have a shower curtain, excuse me. So that is super nice. Slides as well. A little bit of storage back here, towels, toiletries, all of that good stuff. But for the other bathroom of the house, for these 2 bedrooms, that is a great bathroom. Now, if you're not going to use all of these rooms for kids or grandkids or yourself, these 2 are both good for office spaces as well. Like, I already showed you the view, but we'll just show you again. Oh, it's so beautiful. Good size, enough for a bed. TV setup right there. Closet, good size closet. Really high. Lots of railing, lots of shelves. But yeah, it goes all the way up there. So, and the other bedroom is pretty much the same. Not really any different about it. It's got the same idea. Again, beautiful views, beautiful windows. Another great closet. I didn't mention fans in every single bedroom that you can control with this remote. You can have it on high, medium, low, the light off, whatever you want. So that's nice that you can adjust that yourself. Now the last part of the house, which is spectacular, we're going to go into the backyard. Again, This actually opens all the way up. I don't know exactly how to do it on this one, but I've seen it where usually they can slide all the way open. So when you have guests over, barbecues, parties, whatever, that whole thing can be wide open. So you don't have to go through this little tiny door. You just have the whole thing wide open. Beautiful back patio, really good size. Your gas hookup is there for your barbecue. A spigot there for water, extra outlets, just everything you might want in a backyard. Fully landscaped all the way around, so you don't have to worry about that. That's nice. That goes to the garage if you want to have that, and you can even access this from your driveway if you'd rather put stuff on this. It's not grass, it's just rocks, so you can put anything on it. But you do have a nice little patch of grass, easy to keep up with if you have pets or kids, or even if you do enjoy grass yourself. Everyone loves to make their grass beautiful. They did not take that away from you. Just going to the other side to show you that side. So on the other side, there's a house right now. Over here, there is nothing. So you have some peace and quiet for a little bit until you get another neighbor. But right now, it is just all you. You have neighbors to the back. But what I love is that they can't really see into your house, especially with this going over the house, because the master bedroom's right here. They don't have a really line of sight of anything in here. So that is super nice. Keep your privacy, because that is a huge thing for, I think, everyone. Everyone wants their privacy. So that is the house. It is beautiful. It is customly made. So really awesome. I was so excited to show you guys this home. What an amazing home we got to see today. This is probably one of my favorite homes that I've ever been in. It's beautiful. It flows so nicely throughout the whole house. I think it's wonderful. If you think it's wonderful, or even if you didn't think it's wonderful, drop in the comments. What was your favorite part about this house? What was your least favorite part, or what would you change? Drop it in the comments, or anything else that you'd like to comment. I love when you guys comment on the videos. Other than that, leave a like, subscribe to the channel to be updated on everything that's going on here in Cedar City, Iron County, Southern Utah. We all cover all of those things here on the channel. But thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.